Oh, hi, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna make it pink, like this pink. So it's pretty pink. So I'm gonna make some color for that. cake is in the freezer, I have the sprinkles ready, and I have a small amount of shortening. That's what I use on the side for the sprinkles to stick to the cake. And I have my piping bag for the topping. And let me get the chocolate. So for my chocolate, okay, this is about the consistency that I want my ganache, white chocolate ganache. See, my ganache is really like off-white, so it's really up to you. You can put like a white coloring in there just to make it like really white, but I like it like this one. So it's almost ready, and we're gonna have the cake ready in a few minutes as well. There you go. Now let me just remove this one in here. So this is what I'm telling you about. Don't worry about that. You can scrape that off and you'll have a nice clean edges. Okay, so don't make it so perfect, because this one, it will be covered. Okay, now we're gonna put the sprinkles on the side of the cake. So this is how I do it, because I don't want my sprinkles to go in the icing, so I let this chill, and then I put just a little bit of shortening just on the side to where I want it. Okay, it don't have to be so much, just enough for the sprinkles to stick on the cake. There you go, just like that. So I make sure that I have something in here for my sprinkles to go in. Okay, I'm gonna go in here just on the side. So now we're ready to drip our cake with our ganache, and I think this one is ready as well. See the consistency? There you go. So I normally just use my spoon, but for the sake of this tutorial, and for those of you that are scared to drip the ganache on your cake, so this is the best way to drip your cake, so you have more control of your ganache. Okay. Okay, I know I always start at the back. So you see this line over here? You see this line? This is my back cake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover that with my drip. So don't put too much pressure. Just let it go. Just like that. Just like that. See, that's how I want my drip. Not so. After this, I will have to put this in the fridge for like 2 minutes just to set this one, and then that's when we do the top. Okay, just for 2 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna finish the cake off. Okay, so I have this buttercream, the white buttercream. Just put it on the top. I always start at the back all the way around. Just very simple. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just wiggling that butter. And one more. Okay, to finish that off, just to make it look really pretty, we're gonna sprinkle the top with some sprinkles. Not so much, don't overdo it, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, so our cake is done, but it will not be complete without the happy birthday topper. It's a very simple cake, but once you finish, it looks so pretty. So let's take this out. All you have to do is stick it in the middle. Voila! You have a very nice birthday cake.